Hello, hello. Ok, on y va. Bon, nous y voilà. Ok, alors on va retourner à notre base. Et je vais essayer de me souvenir qu'est-ce que je voulais faire déjà. Où en étais-je? Est-ce que j'ai un contrôleur? Fuck. Est-ce que ça fonctionne? Ah non, hein. Pourquoi ça marche pas? Enfin. Quand même. Bon, donnez-moi 2 minutes. Ah voilà, là ça fonctionne. Là ça fonctionne, mais plus le son. Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Qu'est-ce qui se passe encore? 1, 2, 1, 2. Allô, allô? Putain. Allô? Allô, allô? 1, 2. Est-ce que ça fonctionne? Et là, ça fonctionne? Est-ce qu'on m'entend? Attendez, est-ce qu'on m'entend là? Ou est-ce que c'est mon... Qu'est-ce qui se passe, nom de Dieu? Est-ce qu'on m'entend? Allô, 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 allô. Allô, allô. Est-ce qu'il y a un retour? Est-ce qu'on m'entend? Allô, 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 allô. Oui, c'est bon. Non, c'est bon. Ok, alors c'est mon Streamlab qui est pété. D'accord, bon. J'espère que c'est juste ça. Et ça marche plus, bordel de merde, mais c'est... Ah, on va finir par y arriver quand même. Bon, nous y voilà. Alors, il y a un mec qui veut check-in. Alors voilà, entrez monsieur. Pareil pour ce monsieur-là. Allez, barrez-vous. Il est où l'autre? Il est parti au lac? Non? Il est où? Attendez, mais j'ai perdu un mec là ou? Je rêve ou... Ah non, il est là, il est là. Faut vraiment que j'enlève celui-là au lac, hein. Ça m'a rendu dingue un peu. Ou en tout cas le bouger plus près de la porte d'entrée, là ça sera plus simple pour... En tout cas le temps du debug. Enfin le temps du prototypage. Voilà, donc là maintenant on a des gars qui vont venir check out. Non? Il y a toujours le même qui est là-bas au fond là, je suis sûr. Ah. Pourquoi ils sont deux? Ah non, oui, d'accord, c'est parce qu'il y en a un qui est en train d'essayer de... Non? Ah non, t'es cassé, toi. Ah, fuck. Au moins, je peux le débloquer comme ça. Sauf que là, il a bugué le truc et maintenant, il n'y a plus personne qui va venir à mon... au truc de check-in, hein. Ah, à moins que... À moins que... Non, c'est bon, bravo, bien joué mon pote. C'est bien ça. Ah, bah voilà. Voilà quelqu'un qui s'approche avec style. Alors lui, il est swag, lui. Hein. Et il se barre. Ok, c'est bon. Et voilà, donc tout le monde a check out. Donc... Bon, ben, donc du coup, ça c'est fait. Ah, il y a quand même des conneries qui se passent. Hein. BP in cooking. Ah non. Ouais d'accord, ouais d'accord, je comprends qu'il y ait des messages d'erreur, mais on s'en fout un peu pour ça. Ah, bon alors déjà ça je vais le rapprocher, hein. Ça c'est nimp. Mettons-le là. Voilà. Hop. Ça fonctionne pas comme ça non? En vrai, je pourrais même le supprimer pour l'instant. Bon, bah, je vais supprimer celui qui est là-bas au fond, là. Si j'arrive à l'attraper. Ok, alors de quoi ai-je donc besoin? Fais-moi voir mon codex. Attends, qu'est-ce que tu me fais là? Non. Alors qu'est-ce qu'on a? Implement, ok, c'était ça que j'étais en train de faire. Implement the reward system for task. Ok, c'était ça que j'étais en train de faire, ça me revient. Alors je sais pas pourquoi là d'un coup c'est devenu ça rame. Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait de mal? C'est quoi? C'est Streamlab là qui fout le bordel? everything. Ah bon? Ah bon, il a décidé de... Il a décidé de s'y mettre maintenant, là? Je comprends pas pourquoi. Bon, je vais peut-être le killer. Hein. Il est bien gentil, mais là, j'ai pas besoin de lui. Hein. Ah bah voilà, hein. Là, ça va mieux. Ok. Donc, notre système de ça me revient. Ce qu'on cherche à checker, c'est les missions. Là, notre objectif, c'est de créer un système de reward. Donc, il faut que quand une mission a été complétée, il faut qu'on puisse avoir une trace de ça. Donc là, je crée une mission. On peut voir qu'elle est dans le UI tracker. We got, c'est false. Donc si je pars en mission, je bousille tout le monde. Pourquoi je vois pas tout le monde? Boum, boum, boum. Putain, c'est long, mais voilà, c'est fait. Mission complétée. Et là, c'est toujours faux. Et en plus, il y a ceux-là qui plantent, là. Ça, c'est pénible, ça aussi. Ouh. Sorry. Alors, pourquoi que c'est faux? Ce qu'on a. Je vais aussi ouvrir mon objet pour les tâches. Ah oui, la dernière fois j'avais fait tout un système pour avoir un unique ID. C'était pas mal, pas mal. Bon, revenons dans notre scène du désert là. Alors déjà, ceux-là, je vais les remettre avec un HP de 1. Objectif complété. Donc task complété, c'est là que ça devrait... Et... Et donne-moi une mission. On s'en va en mission. Tout le monde est mort, c'est parfait. Mission complétée. Normalement, ça devrait break. Ça le fait pas. Alors là, c'est intéressant. Là, c'est intéressant, ça break pas. Pourquoi? Donc, retournons ici et retournons ici. Attends, où est-ce que j'avais mis le break? Ah, j'avais pas mis le break? Ah bah oui, bah d'accord, c'est normal que ça le fasse pas alors. Évidemment, putain mais... Alors, en fait, je pense que c'est parce que j'ai quitté le level et c'est pour ça qu'il m'a enlevé le breakpoint. Peut-être pour ça. Du coup, je vais le mettre plutôt ici alors. Ok, donne-moi la mission. Yes. Ok, on y va. Ah, ça rame. Voilà, donc là ça break. Donc l'ID est 0. Ici, on a true, donc ça c'est bon, on passe à travers. Et là, on a... Donc il trouve bien le... Je peux voir qu'il trouve bien la bonne tâche. Et donc là, ça le met... Là, on est d'accord que si je regarde là-dedans... Je suis désolé si vous entendez mon chien. C'est vrai si ça s'entend. Je suis désolé si vous entendez mon chien. Et juste pour voir... Ok, juste pour voir. Alors... Au moment de créer les tâches... Donc ici... Moi, ce que je veux savoir, c'est ça, là. Est-ce qu'on... Où est-ce qu'on est avec ça, là? Ah, là, on est bon. Donc là, ça crée une tâche. Évidemment, la tâche, elle est fausse. Elle devrait être fausse. No debug data. Je sais pas pourquoi, mais... Elle est fausse, ok. On résume. On part en mission. Donc là, il recrée une tâche. C'est normal puisqu'on est... On vient de charger une map. Et là, il crash. Et ça, c'est pas normal. Putain de toi! Tu m'aides pas là, Unreal, hein? Bon alors, qu'est-ce que j'ai perdu? Putain... Chiant ça. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? T'as encore planté? Ah. On recommence. Tant pis. Ah non, bah en fait il a gardé le... Bon bah très bien. Ok, donc ça on a dit que c'était normal. On charge un niveau. Ça aussi c'était normal. Et... Putain mais ça plante encore. Et en plus j'ai ouvert 2 Unreal. Putain. Bien joué Nico. Attendez une minute. Non. Ah putain, j'ai encore oublié où est-ce que je mets le... Où est-ce que je fous ce putain de... task manager là. C'est dingue ça. Quoi? Mais combien j'ai d'Unreal d'ouvert là? C'est dingue. Je crois que je le mets dans le contrôleur en fait. Ouais, je le mets dans le contrôleur. C'est pas terrible hein, comme idée, je pense. Peut-être mieux de le mettre dans le game mode. Et là, au point où je suis rendu... Et du coup, alors attends. Est-ce qu'il y en a un dans mon player combat, par exemple? Et non. C'est peut-être pour ça que ça rame. C'est peut-être pour ça que ça plante. Et voilà. C'est peut-être pour ça en fait. On est bien d'accord que si je sors mon BPGM combat là et que je regarde à mes classes, qu'est-ce que c'est? Classe setting, classe défaut. Mon contrôleur, c'est celui-là. C'est ça. Et donc il me faut add BPC Task Manager. Voilà. Ça va devoir prendre ça. Donc on va remettre un breakpoint et je vais tout sauver avant de le lancer puisqu'on sait que maintenant ça crache pas mal. A et de 1. Et de 2, est-ce que ça va cracher? Oui, génial, bravo. Putain de toi. Bon, déjà ici j'ai enlevé le breakpoint et que je regardais si ça fonctionnait cette fois-ci. Parce qu'en vrai, attends, parce qu'il faut que réfléchissons bien là. Qui appelle? Comment c'est possible que ça appelle? Attendez. Si t'existes pas, comment c'est possible que il y ait quelqu'un qui t'appelle? Je comprends pas le délire là. Don't begin play task manager. Et c'est parti pour la mission. Ça charge, très bien. Là. Toi et toi. Et on est toujours sur du false. Aïe 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 aïe. Wait. What? Ah voilà. Bon, on recommence. On est d'accord que le parent, c'est le contrôleur. Je voudrais juste confirmer ça là, parce que c'est un sacré bordel mon truc. Non, parce que en plus j'arrive même pas à lire là, c'est n'importe quoi. Hein. On va te mettre en vert. Pendant 5 secondes, histoire que j'ai bien le temps de te lire. Mais il y a rien eu là. Je rêve ou... Attendez une minute. Je suis en train de rêver ou je l'ai pas vu afficher là? On est d'accord qu'il n'y a pas eu un bout de verre qui s'est affiché là? Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire ça? Alors attends, t'es en train de me dire qu'il n'y a pas de... Qu'est-ce que ça veut dire ce délire? Mais d'où tu sors? Mais qui es-tu, Task Manager là? Je rêve ou quoi? Je vais être obligé de mettre un breakpoint. Maintenant, il n'y a rien qui apparaît. C'est dingue ça. Il n'y a même pas eu de... Attends, mais... Qu'est-ce que... Create Task Object. On est d'accord que... C'est quoi ce délire? Pourquoi ça break pas? Ça break pas. Ah mais non, mais attends, mais... Mon dieu que je suis débile. Évidemment que ça break pas, j'ai pas créé de task object, c'est pas là que ça crée un task object. Putain mais je suis... Et voilà, évidemment, et oui, là ça fonctionne. Putain mais je peux être un sgeg des fois là, c'est ouf. Hey M010001, it doesn't help me with it. I read your Cascade blog post. Are you animating everything in it or using it to create rigs and auto pose? Wasn't very clear. Now I'm animating everything. Everything that you're seeing right now is not... Everything has not been done in Cascada, but because I discovered Cascada in between the project, but now I'm doing everything, all the animation in Cascada, but not the rig. Cascada is not meant for the rig. It's an animation tool, but not a rigging tool. So I'm still doing the rig in Blender, and I'm exporting everything into Cascada and then doing the animation in Cascada. But Cascada is really fun. I really love using it. Aha! We got something. PKP controller in player. Right, that's what I was looking for. So I shouldn't have stopped this. Damn this. Yes, ok. Mission, let's go. Et là. BP contrôle. Attendez, quoi? Il y en a un sur le héros aussi? Et non, mais voilà, mais l'erreur est là. L'erreur est là. Qu'est-ce que ça fout là? On n'en veut pas de ça. Mais non, évidemment qu'on n'en veut pas. You mentioned using the quick rig feature for human. Okay, it's the quick rig is more like using you create a rig into Blender, but you need to have controller for yeah, I understand what you mean. It's not clear. Now I realize that it's not clear because you have to do the rig into another software. I guess you could do that into Cascada, but for now it's really not the you will be missing a lot of tool for this. It's not the best, especially for the skinning. You can't skin anything in Cascada except unless if I'm wrong, but I don't think you can skin anything. Anyway, so you're doing the rig into another software. So for me it's Blender, and then you're importing this into Cascada. But what is this quick rig feature is the ability to generate a controller rig. It's more what I mean for that. It's a controller rig is a rig used to be able to manipulate some controller to have an easy way to animate your character. It's different from the rig you are exporting into. It's different from the rig you are exporting into the game actually. I use Mixamo Blender add-on to create controlling grounds. Yeah, it's for example, you could if you are using Mixamo, you could bypass completely Blender. You don't have to use Blender. You could just export Mixamo rig into a quick into Cascada. Use the quick rig feature to kind of converting the Mixamo rig to a Cascada rig, so you can use the I key, F key, all the features from Cascada easily. So if you are using Mixamo, you don't even have to go through Blender. I guess I didn't try, but you should. I don't think you have to. Have you tried animating in Maya? Yes, but the thing is I hate Maya. in general. I know that for animation it's great and all, but I hate this software, and I hate the there's something that I don't like in Maya, and it's the destructive kind of workflow. It's that and I'm a beginner in Maya, so maybe I'm doing something wrong, but every time I try to do something in Maya, it's like I'm doing a rig, I'm skinning everything, and then I realize that I want to change something into my mesh, and then it seems like you have to break everything. You have to redo the rig and the skinning just because you just added a new edge loop, or you added a new vertex, and I hate this. I hate this very much. It's really, I feel like in Maya every time I'm losing time. It's but like I said, it's probably because I'm not used to Maya. That and it's crashing every time. It's really not stable. I hate this. You think Cascada can produce high quality animation like Maya? Yes. Yes. In any software, you can produce high quality animation like Maya. Like high quality animation depend on your skill as an animator more than a software. But the thing with Cascada, and what I think it is that with Cascada you can achieve quicker high quality animation than Maya, especially if you are not a good animator like me. What I mean is that you have this software that is helping you to do what you are trying to do. So it's like, oh, so you want the hand here, and you want the head here, and you want the hips there. Okay, I see what kind of pose I figure out what kind of pose you want. You want this with the elbow on this side and stuff like this. So it's like the software is assisting you to reach the pose you want. It's really great. I meant in a streamlined way. I had Blender animation workflow is a pain. I'm biased with Blender. For me, it's not a pain. For me, I prefer Blender. I prefer the workflow in Blender. What could be an issue with Blender compared to Maya is especially for big production, when you have stuff like sharing animation and sharing rigs and linking scene files and all this stuff. I think this can be maybe an issue with Blender, although in the last update on Blender they are really working hard on this, so maybe it's not even true anymore. But if you are just a hobbyist or just a small indie team, I don't think Blender is a pain, actually. I mean, I'm not an animator, so it's hard for me to answer this. It's more like have any of the pro animators at your studio tried Cascada? No. I didn't ask. Maybe they did, but we didn't talk about that yet. I didn't have the chance to talk about this with the guys at the studio. But I don't think they tried it yet. I should check with that. You're right. I didn't even ask them. That's weird. I tried to ask that's the thing with the when you're working from home, it's you're missing this social interaction with the people you're working with. Alright, so let's see if this is fixing the issue. Nope. Oh, but it's on the hero also? No, 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 no. I assume your studio is back in the office. It's a hybrid. It's there is some people that are back to the office because they prefer to work from the office, but we have the choice, and I choose to stay at home, so that's why. PP hero in. We're gonna remove this one. Fair enough, no need to get stuck in traffic. Exactly, eh? And yeah, it's I prefer that, to be honest. I really prefer that. Alright, so let's see if this time it is working. I'm starting to think that I will have to rewrite everything pretty soon because I'm spending too much time debugging stuff because I'm lost into my own scripting code. So it didn't work. Fuck, man. What's wrong with you? Yeah, exactly. It's not no, actually it's not even blueprint spaghetti. It's just that I have component attached to controller, some attached on game mode and game instance, and it's all over the place, and every time I'm like, wait, but who is calling you? I don't even remember who's calling who, and that's a mess. It's I really need to rewrite everything so that it's more unified. It's a little bit more solid, you know. And the thing is, I'm working dirty because I want to go fast. All I care for now is just prototyping and implementing my idea as quick as possible. But now I'm realizing that I'm spending more time to fix stuff because I'm lost into my blueprint rather than implementing stuff, so might be an issue. It sure is an issue, actually. So, what are you printing here? I don't understand why I don't have access to the debug data. Okay, I'm gonna try something. You want to cut your losses and just start over? Makes sense. It's like I know that at some point I'm gonna rewrite everything. It's I know that it's planned. I mean, it's how game development work. It's first you going fast and you testing ideas, and then when you know what you need, because right now I don't even know what's all the feature I need for the game. I'm just keeping adding features while I'm testing the gameplay. So I don't even know what's the feature I want, what the feature I'm gonna skip. So I'm going fast without trying to be efficient or optimize the code or something clean. But when I will have a much clearer idea of what I need, then it's gonna be I'm gonna rewrite everything, but at least I will know the scope. Right now I don't even know the scope. But the thing is, right now I think like I'm gonna rewrite this once, even if I don't know the scope, and probably gonna rewrite it again later. But right now it's yeah, it's a mess. It is really a mess. Bon. Ça c'est false, ok. Encore false. Yeah, that's expected. Mission completed. Going back, and it's false. So the issue is coming from, it's not coming from the UI, it's coming from the, it's keep getting false. Well, even if, so who's calling you? The create task, who is calling you? Yeah, I think it's this one, right? You're using the Ubisoft Skull and Bones system of rewriting everything multiple. Yeah, but I think the difference between me and the Ubisoft way is that I'm just rewriting the code. I'm not rewriting the game design. It's more like when you are done with the prototype and you're starting a production, but you're still designing while you are in production. That's the big issue in my opinion. Right now I'm still not in production. I'm not even in pre-production. I'm really just in prototyping. Blocky phase, so it is fine to rewrite stuff. And the I would say the difference with Ubisoft also is I have a vision. It seems from me that lately the Ubisoft games they're lacking a bit of vision. It's more, it's always the same and trying to please everybody, and by doing so they are pleasing nobody. Nobody is happy. Shit. Okay, alright, so okay, maybe I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna do a for each loop. I'm gonna remove the print now. This one we don't need it. And we're gonna break struct. I'm gonna print. I'm gonna print that. I want to know how. Maybe I'm creating several tasks and I'm not looking at the right one. Could it be why I have this this bug here? Okay, let's see. False. Right, so maybe the issue is in the level blueprint of the here. And it's when the objective has been completed, this doesn't work like it should be. Maybe. Like... what if I'm doing a print? Get a copy. Let's go just like this. Break, and we're gonna print. Sorry. Okay, here we go. Nanani, nanani, nanana. Completed. I see that it was false. So okay. So the issue is here actually. So this is wrong. Okay, give me just 5 minutes, please. Alright, I'm back. Hey, C-Movie, thank you very much for the follow. So you noticed I started thinking in English. It's all because if there is English people on the chat, I'm speaking in English, but if not, it's I'm speaking in French. It's much more easier for me to speak in French because it's more natural. English is it's a little bit more demanding for me since it's not my mother tongue. It's not my first language. So there is always this kind of effort to translate in my head before speaking, which is kind of taxing a little bit. It's more difficult than I thought it would be when I started to do streaming in English. I thought that it would be easy for me. Not easy, but at least easier than what it is actually. Okay, let's go again. Seems like it's gonna be a bug that is gonna take me full stream, which is unfortunate. Maybe you should implement this 6 months Quebec rule for people in chat. Learn French in 6 months or get out. Yeah. Who'd do that? To Quebec, sit. It would make stuff much easier for me. Alright, so you see that this one is false. Unique ID is 0. So this doesn't work actually. No, I know. Fuck. No, maybe. Do I know or do I not? Wait. I know why. Fuck, man. Alright, I get it. I get everything. It's because I'm dumb. It's because I'm taking the task, but I'm setting the member, but I'm not changing. I'm just modifying this reference of the variable, but not the one into the array. The variable into the array is not changed when I'm doing this. Ha, of course. So what I should do is okay, what should I do then? So it's like I'm changing stuff, and actually I should okay, I also should output the index. Damn, this one is a really dumb one. It took me that much time because of my incompetence. Gonna put here, and we're gonna I'm gonna save the index when we find a match. So I'm gonna do a local variable that I'm gonna put here called local index, and we're gonna pass this. So then here I'm gonna be able to get this, and what is it? Is it a replace? No. How do I, for an array, how do I replace an entry? Add unique append get set given array, and then assign the item to the array. I think this is this one that I'm looking for. Yeah, I think it's this one, and we're gonna do this, and this should work. So I'm gonna remove this. Right, let's try this. Et donc on accepte la mission. We get a mission. Yes, false. That's expected. Right, so we're trying to kill all the bad guys. Pew 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 pew. Alright, we're getting back to the hub. Let's go, let's go. Yes! True, now it's working. Phew! Damn, man. Took me much more longer than I would have anticipated. Alright, so let's fix this guy that are stuck for some reason. I don't know why. Let's check the AI tree. So right, I think I already know what's happening. It's because I need to put a condition, this condition too. This one. So if we're doing this, if it has not checked in inverse condition, and just to be sure, yeah, that's it, that's right. So now we should have. Merci beaucoup. See, you didn't have to spend 6 months to start speaking in French. It's much quicker here. With me, it's much quicker, eh? The Quebec should hire me for all the new people coming to Quebec. What I'm doing, I already have a... No, it's fine. See. Are you living in Quebec too? See, hey, see. Ah, fuck. They're still no, this guy is still coming. It's fine, I can understand. It's fine. Alright, so who are you? I'm guessing that's the you're the one that's trying to check in. So BP guest 1. Right, so BP guest 1 is so for some reason you can't check in because I know. Yeah, okay, it's making sense actually. You can't check in because we are in the evening. So actually you shouldn't even be spawning. So that's the thing. Yeah, that's the way I'm designing stuff. I can't live in Quebec because I don't like Putin. Wait, what? You don't like Putin? How is that possible? It's probably because you didn't have a true Putin, a real Putin. Because let me tell you that it's I tested Putin outside of Quebec, and it's never real. It's never Putin. You have to go to Quebec to test what is a true Putin. Alright, so I start to get it, what the issue is. So here's the thing. So here's what we need. Guest manager. And open our guest manager here. Where you come from, by the way? If you're okay to share the information. All right, so here's the thing. So we got the Ah, but we already have if it's morning or not. Okay, so it needs spawn guest. That's gonna be... Well, let me show. Oh, you're from the Middle East. Nice. Which country? It needs spawn guests. Wait, how does it work? I'm already lost. So that's why I need to rewrite stuff. I heard that I'm spending so much time to reread my code. Spawn store guest, that's gonna be the one. Oh, the like Dubai. I think it's this one, sponsor. Yeah, okay. So what I'm gonna check is so that's cool, man. So how is Dubai? I never went there, but I'm curious to know what's the local think about Dubai. Is it a cool place to live in? Because I know it's a cool place to visit, but hot as fuck. Oh yeah. What's the temperature now? All right. So what I want to know is, are we in the morning? So, man, I already forgot how to check if we are in the morning. Yeah, here we go. So, are we in the morning? And if I'm breaking this, I'm in the... Oh, okay, you're not in Dubai. I'm curious, what the name of the capital of the United Emirates? So if the check-in day is different, actually. Not equal. Abu Dhabi, yeah, it's 33 degrees now. Oh damn. Yeah, okay, it's hot. 35 degree at 4 AM, like in the middle of the night. Wait, it's the middle of the night and you're not asleep? You have some trouble to sleep? So if the check-in day is different than -1, that's mean we already did a check-in. So that's how I know that's this guest has check-in. So if this guest didn't check and it's not the morning, so instead of this I'm gonna do not equal. I'm taking time off from work, no need to sleep early. Alright, I see. So you are a night creature. Alright, so if any no, I need an end, right? So no, wait. Oh, no. If this is equal, or so we're gonna spawn the stored guest only if the guest has already checked in, or it's not the morning, or if it's the morning. It's much quieter at night, easy to relax. Yeah, I'm with you with that. I'm with you with that. The night, it's I also start to get more productive during the night than the day. But how Abu Dhabi is compared to Dubai? Like, I'm sorry to ask. I know it's a bit of a dumb question, but I find it interesting. Is it Abu Dhabi? Is it a big city? Like, is there more than 1 million people in Abu Dhabi, or is it more much smaller than that? Alright, so for example, no, I don't need a mission. So I got just one guy that has check-in, and the other one didn't check in. So if I go to sleep, normally I should have just one guy into my no, I don't, because I'm not loading the map. That's interesting. That's something that I'm gonna have to fix too. It's true. Ah, so now you decided to check out. Of course. Dubai has a lot more foreigner. Yeah, I guess there are plus 1 million people in Abu Dhabi. Okay, so it is a big city. Yes, all right. Okay, let's get back to my place, and voila, there is just no, there's two. Yeah, it's expected. They are not two guys that are wandering around. Perfect. And perfect. And if I go to sleep, it's gonna be the morning, and here we go. They are ready to check out. This guy already. No need to reroll during the prototype. I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to keep this this rhythm, to be honest. I can feel like I'm gonna have, at some point I'm gonna have to rewrite, even if I'm still in prototype, but I can already feel the limits of the thing, though I'm just at the beginning of the prototype. Maybe not the beginning, but I'm not really far in the prototype, and I'm already feeling the limit of this. Alright, but I'm happy because now the spawning system of the guests is kind of working. Actually, it's good. It is good. Wait a minute. I want to check something. No, it's fine. It's good. Perfect. So now Alright, but I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Actually, I think it's a little bit early, but I think it's a good one. It's now we are tracking the mission and the guests are spawning correctly. Yeah, I think it's good enough. Alright guys, have a good one, good luck with the gun. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Emo. I don't know how should I pronounce your nickname? Like, don't tell me I have to say M01000001. That would be really tough on me. Mo. Okay, perfect. I prefer that. All right, but thank you very much, Mo, and hope you'll be there for the next stream, eh? Non, Neosoft qui arrive quand je suis en train de partir. Salut Neo. Siamo. Mais Neo, moi je me suis dit, attends, mais il viendra jamais, t'es fou. Ah oui, mais tu m'avais dit que t'es en plus. Ouais. J'allais dire t'es en France, mais non, t'es même pas en France en fait. Attends, si t'es en France. Attends, je suis perdu. C'est qui est... T'es en France ou au Mexique? Ah, c'est ça, c'est ça. Non, ouais, c'est ça, je suis perdu. Bah non, bah alors voilà. Je me disais bien que moi je me suis dit Neo, comme il est en France, parce que je savais pertinemment que t'étais en France, jamais il va se connecter à cette heure là, faut pas compter là-dessus, tu comprends? Moi je me suis dit allez hop, à quoi bon continuer un stream si Neo n'est pas là, tu vois ce que je veux dire? Alors voilà, j'avais commencé à faire mes adieux et là tu débarques, mais sauf que j'ai déjà fait mes adieux. Je peux pas revenir en arrière. Il y a des lois. Il y a des lois qui veulent ça. Non mais c'est mon père qui est pote avec le chef de la police mexicaine. Rien à voir. Ah ouais. Ah, il a des connexions. Il y a une heure je me suis dit faut que je go Twitch. Et voilà. Ouais, c'est la faute des DNS. Trop facile celle-là. Trop facile. Bien sûr la faute des DNS. Et évidemment, ça continue de télécharger mon internet. J'avais plus la connexion. Oui, alors oui, ça continue. Oh non, j'ai téléchargé mon taille sans faire exprès, mais d'où ça sort, je ne comprends pas. Il va falloir que je vérifie mon DNS. On les connaît les excuses. Hein. On les connaît. Oh, mon taille s'est téléchargé par erreur. Une Manika. Manika, je connais pas ça. C'est le manchon. Ah oui, le manchon des gladiateurs. Je veux même pas savoir ce que tu vas en faire du manchon des gladiateurs. Je veux même pas savoir à quoi ça va être utile. Je veux pas de problème sur Twitch. Bon, et ben voilà. Sur ce, ben moi, je vais y aller. Hein. Je vais y aller, et oui, c'est comme ça. Bon, ben Neo, bonne nuit. Merci d'être passé du coup. Hein. Et puis à la prochaine. Bonne nuit toi aussi. Salut, bye. Et puis salut tout le monde. Non, moi aussi c'est la nuit. Moi c'est la... Oui, 8h23 c'est la nuit. Ouais. Eh ouais. Bon allez, salut tout le monde. À la prochaine. Bye bye. Oups, je me suis trompé de bouton.